In today's episode, we'll be drawing Boo from Monsters Inc.
Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are
Hi everyone! In today's episode, we'll be drawing Boo from Monsters Inc. This is a digital drawing of Boo. And we'll be starting with a circle for her head. And then I did some reference lines to show where the positions of her facial features are. Then continuing on with her hair first. So she has 2 side ponytails. So I'm drawing the one on the right first. And she's actually wearing like some sort of a ribbon for her hair. So I'm doing her bangs, her fringe. And then her ear. So just remember that the ears actually is about halfway of the whole head. Not too high or not too low. Then moving on to the eyes. And the eyebrows. So trying to sketch the nose and the mouth. So I find that the Boo's head is a bit small, so I make it slightly bigger or longer, that is. Then I'm drawing the mouth, which is in a shape of a crescent moon, and adding in the teeth. I'm readjusting her features from time to time to make her look more like her. So sometimes I do get the proportions slightly wrong for portrait. Okay, so now moving on to her neck and the rest of her body. So she's wearing this gown, pink color gown. So the gown goes all the way down. So there are details for the gowns, like the shadings at the sides. And readjusting her ears again. And readjusting her eyes again, making it slightly bigger. So it takes me a while for this digital drawing to have a proportionate boo. But yeah, so now I'm gonna continue on with her arms. And last but not least, her legs. So she's wearing pants and she's wearing socks. So I'm drawing her socks. Okay, so now I'm done with the sketching. I created a new layer for colouring. pink for her blouse. Creating shades and highlights. Creating tones for her face. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.